Oh, what have we here? Yeah, it's another Galaxy box fan. But it's not just any Galaxy box fan. Yeah, it's one of the older ones. I bought this off eBay a few weeks ago because I knew wanted at least one of these with the older style blade set. And as you notice, it's on a stand. Yeah, and for your information, this is the same rollabout stand that I used to keep my 1976 Lakewood S-223-W on. But I thought, it's really a Lasko stand. Why not keep a Lasko made box fan on there? Anyway, back to the fan. Yeah, I finally got me one of these, but I still want that Sears branded one with the blades in yellow. That's #1 item on my want list. But hey, at least they got this. So I'll have an overall look around at this. It's that same greenish tan color as the others. And look at the top. You notice this is only 2 speeds. So yeah, this is the model 3714. And it's got the somewhat longer style switch plate. The older style, which they use on these 70s Lasko boxers. And also, if you notice, it's on the left side of the fan. So it's a very early one. I think just a year or so later they moved it to the right. And if you notice on the top, no handle! As Esky Wolf would say. Actually, when I got the fan, it was using this for a handle. This looks to me like a piece of hose supported by a cardboard strip. I think that's cardboard. Oh, whatever it is. I think it's a wire. Something or other. Anyway, it just didn't look too practical for my taste, or at least for using it on the stand. In my opinion, it looked kind of tacky. So I just do without the thing on there, at least while it's on the stand. But I'm getting a better handle for it from fellow YouTuber Tori Isles. I think that's how he pronounces his last name. Tori the Fan Man. Yeah, I'm getting a new handle for this from Tori the Fan Man for that, and my 1979 to 80 Galaxy 3713. Also, just like the 1979 to 80 3713, this thing's got a perfect front grille. All the slats are there. It does have this little chip right here, but that's really nothing to me. Not just the front grille, but the back grille too is perfect. Unlike those later 80s boxers, these 70s boxers, the cord you can actually fit through the grill slats and not have to break one out. See if I can get a shot of that down there. Yeah, it's one of those smaller plugs. However, if you notice, this is what it has for a motor, and it is not the original motor. Original one must have gone out on it maybe early in its life. Must have had one of those Marcos in it. As it's one of the earliest ones. Yeah, it looks like a Macmillan, but it probably isn't. It's probably one of those cheap replacement motors made to copy a Macmillan. On the front shell, it has a tag on there. It says it was issued by some company called Doer, spelled D-O-E-R-R. And it was probably supplied by Granger. Well, the Granger stores, you know what I'm talking about. Also to note, this motor is a 3-speed motor, but only wired for 2 speeds. So the medium wire must be capped off. Turn this back around. Also, if you note on the bottom, it's got the feet on there, but the ends are broken off. They were broken off in shipping. Unfortunately, the ends were shattered, so can't glue them back on. But even with the feet like they are, it's still stable. Still perfectly stable because it's only the ends that are broken off. Also, it does have a date tag on there. It looks to say 75 or 76 on there. But I can't tell because some of it seems to be faded off and there seems to be like a little slash on there somewhere. But my friends say it looks more like a 5, so I'll just say this is a 75. So this is probably when they first came out with this style of cabinet. And the year they come out with these brittle grills. So yeah. Anyway, here it is running. Here's high. It's got that classic wide blade Lasko sound. Or maybe you could call it that wide blade spatter sound that these blades will put out. Or whatever. And here's low. The low kind of sounds like a plane propeller or something. You know, these blades sure had that sound, I'll tell you that. Back to high. And off. Yeah, those blades are a bit out of balance. I think these blade sets were kind of notorious for balance issues. And this does kind of have a bit of a startup sound. Try low. Can't be heard very well on low. And we'll do high. There go those blades again. Here's high. And there you have it. This is my 1975 Galaxy 3714 2-speed box fan. Thank you for watching, everybody.